I am sure by now you have already heard that if you put affiliate link in your content and people will see it, they will buy from your content and you will earn a commission of that product. But when you are just a beginner, you obviously don't have any audience to sell, right? And if you don't have any audience or traffic, no one will click on your link. So how will you do affiliate marketing without any audience? The answer is simple. You need to build audience first before you can even expect any sales. But how will you build your audience? How much time it will take? And most importantly, when will you get your first sales? These questions arises when a person is starting affiliate marketing from scratch. They don't know what they're doing and they don't know the complete picture on how it will work. Now, most of the videos and information you see on internet hides the main work, which is very important to succeed in affiliate marketing. And I have already seen dozens of videos and I have already purchased courses to learn affiliate marketing. So the information I'm going to share is all you need to start affiliate marketing and building audience which will click on your links and buy those products. First of all, you need to clear your basics. You have to get clear on your niche, product which you will promote in this niche, and which platform you will use to promote those products. You can get a quick reference by looking at this chart. Tech, finance, fitness, beauty, travel, business, parenting, gaming, food, and education. This was the overview of affiliate marketing and their niches. This chart is just a reference for you. You can take the screenshot and read it. You can use any platform and promote any product. I showed you the overall look of the niches and you have full freedom to pick whatever platform, product, niche you want. And if you're still confused on picking niche or platforms, go through YouTube videos, Claude or ChatGPT. Ask your questions and queries. It will help you a lot and it will guide you throughout your each and every questions and you will get clarity very fast. Now, when you have cleared your basics, it's time to create content. In this way, you will do affiliate marketing without followers and without investing any money. So, after selection of niche and platform, your main goal should be to build traffic, which is audience, by making content related to your product and niche. No matter what platform you choose, you have to stay consistent on making content. Either it's Instagram, YouTube, blog, Pinterest, or any other. By making content, people will see your videos, they will engage with it, and you will start building a small audience. This process will take at least 1 to 2 months to make the algorithm find your potential audience. So the views will be low at this time, but don't worry. This is how it works when you are making content and attracting the audience. Initially, you will not get any views or mainly bare minimum views, but in this time phase, you have to make as much as content as possible, and this will help the algorithm to find your target audience. So be patient and stay consistent even if you don't see any progress. And if you stayed consistent for 3 months, now you have already made an audience which is interested in your content. And now the algorithm will push your content to more people. And remember, you will not start getting sales from day one, and it is not any get rich quick scheme. So, if anyone is saying that you will start earning in overnight or 10 days or 15 days, they are completely lying to you or they are trying to sell any type of course. So, use your own mind. Nothing is easy in online money making journey. You have to put efforts and be patient, then only you will see any results. After 2 to 3 months, you will see that your content is start getting views and attention. And remember, all platforms work differently. So make sure to pick the platform where your target audience is high. Like Instagram and Pinterest is good for fashion and clothes niche, and YouTube is fit for software and businesses related niche. Previously, I made a mistake. I picked the wrong platform for my niche, which caused so much time waste for me, but I learned so much in this process. So make sure you pick the right platform where your target audience is already searching for your content. After that, when your content is working, you are getting decent views. Now you will start getting some sales and commissions. And if you ask a specific time frame when you will start getting your first sales, so the answer is there is No fixed time, yes, because every niche and their audience are different. People will buy clothes and makeup very easily and very often, but they will take time buying products or software related to finance or business niche. So the time completely depends upon which niche you pick and which platform you are targeting. Don't compare your progress to others and don't blame yourself or feel bad when results are not showing up as you want. Remember, it will take time, but your only focus should be on learning and improving with patience. This is all you want to make money online. When your content will reach to your potential audience, you will start getting sales. So, in this way, you will start making money by doing affiliate marketing. Remember, starting will always feel hard, but once you start understanding how things work, it will start getting easier. And as you stay consistent, you will start getting results. So, make sure to subscribe because I love to make these types of honest breakdown on side hustles and business models. So, I will keep making these type of videos for you guys so you can grow easily and get clarity without paying for any course or anything. And also comment your thoughts on affiliate marketing. I will see you guys in the next one.